Hey traders, it's Greg from Trade 90X, and I'm excited to bring you another one of our Trade 90X education series. Number 4, what tools will I need in trading? So before we get started, I just want to let you know all information we provide as educational purposes only. Always consult your financial advisor or accountant before making any financial decisions. And again, all of our lessons are provided to give you the highest probability to have success. Remember, it's always about trading with a statistical edge. Okay, I want to write that in so it resonates with you. Always trade with a statistical edge. What does that mean? It means you back tested your numbers over time like a casino, and we know our plan wins over the long term. We understand the right information, how to find it, how to execute it, master risk, and be accountable. And we also understand loss is a part of trading. Our process of Trade 90X, it's mechanical, systematic, repeatable, and replicable. And that's what you need in order to have success in any business, and trading especially. And you also must identify what type of trader you are based on your time, resources, and personality. And you also need to have support, whether it's us at Trade 90X or some other mastermind group. So let's get right into this lesson. Before we do, again, if you find value with these videos, make sure you smash that like button and share this with other traders. So in this lesson, as again, what tools will you need? And here it is on the following. So before you get started, you want to make sure, I always say this, and again, I know this is like tools, but you need a good attitude. Bottom line, if you don't have a good attitude and you're not humble, you're going to find it difficult to have success in trading. You also have to have the willingness to listen and ask questions. Okay. If you don't ask questions, you're not going to get far. Okay. If you don't know something, ask. Number 3, make sure you have a fast computer, whether it's a laptop or CPU. Make sure it can handle, most of the brokerage firms today. The nice thing is most of them, they do have cloud-based, but make sure you have a fast computer. And I recommend minimum of 2 monitors. So one you can have for your charting, and one you have your platform up ready to trade. Fourth, this is important. Make sure today you have fast internet. Now today, it's much different than even 5-10 years ago. Getting fast internet, here in the US is pretty easy. So make sure you have fast internet. Number 5, it's very important that you have the right brokerage firm. I know a lot of people like to use starter ones like Robinhood or, Coinbase. But the reality is, if you really want to take trading seriously, you need a more professional platform like Tastyworks, Thinkorswim, TradeStation, Interactive Brokers, or something like NinjaTrader. I don't have a problem usually if you want to start on Robinhood to, has like a starter, but really as you become more professional, you definitely want to step up to a more professional platform. Number 6, also make sure you have a comfortable desk, chair, and good lighting. It's very important. Again, trading is it's not just physical, it's mental, it's spiritual. So you want to make sure you have a place where you can relax. And then number 7, also, that this is really part of number 6, make sure that when you do trade, when you block out that time to trade, that you have a quiet place and you can concentrate. When you have a lot of things going on, you're going to make a lot of mistakes. Trading's hard enough. It takes a lot of, like I said, mental, physical, and spiritual, and you got to have all those aligned. So make sure, again, you have a place where you can concentrate. Number 8, I always recommend continue to learn, and, some trading books that can actually help you. And here are some of the books that I recommend to our community. Number 1, Reminiscence of a Stock Operator by Edwin Lefebvre. Excellent book of Jesse Livermore, one of the great traders from 50, 60, 70 plus years ago. And some of his stuff is still on the forefront. The next one, Napoleon Hill, was in the 1930s, wrote a book called Think and Grow Rich. I recommend it highly. Read it over and over. The other one is Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. And then the last one that I really like, it's called Mastering the Market Cycles by Howard Marks. I really recommend those 4 books. And, again, you want to continue to learn when you trade. Number 9, also make sure you have a good, and again, everything I show you here is for free. That's the beauty. Econoday.com, great place to check the news. Always make sure you check the news before you trade. Earnings Whisper, Twitter.com. This will give you the earnings on a weekly basis during the earnings season. Make sure that you're aware of the important symbols that are coming out before and after the market. And then here next, number 11, finviz.com. Excellent tool for many things. One, I use it because I want to look at the sector strength and weakness when I'm doing my analysis, and also a great tool if you're trading stocks to scan and find based on market strength of a sector. So excellent tool. The next one is traderview.com. Again, when you trade, as you get into this Trade 90X, as I get deeper into the education, you'll understand that journaling is one of the keys to success in trading. Now, we do have manual journals, but as you get into it, you might want to look at something that's automated like traderview.com. And then also, whether you use our checklists or something else, you want to make sure you have your checklists ready to go. And at Trade 90X, we have, pre-market, live market, aftermarket routines, or checklists as we call them. And it's very key to have that. And then also, I would say the last one also on the list is really finding an accountant that understands trading taxes. And I mean that seriously, because there's a lot of accountants out there, but if they don't understand the asset class you're trading, or whether you're day trading, swing trading, or long-term trading, it's going to cost you a lot of money. So, and then also you want to find out, if you're going to be trading for a living, do you qualify for the trader tax status, which is a whole nother set of things. But if you have a good accountant that understands trading, they can guide you based on the asset class, whether you're day trading, swing trading, whether you should trade in a corporation or not. These are the things that you want to consult your financial advisor. So this is the list right here. So again, watch this, video a few times. Again, these are just some basic tools or understandings that you're going to need before you really, delve into your trading career. So again, if there's anything you don't understand in any one of these lessons, email us at hello@trade90x.com. We want to hear from you. We're here to help, and this is what the education's for. So I look forward to your questions. And as I end every one of my education videos, make sure you always understand how to do your top-down analysis. Make sure you understand the risk, and make sure you understand what it is that you're trading with a statistical edge before risking your capital. Trade safe.